Guys, I'm back for another Mario Kart 8 Deluxe gameplay. So this time we're doing the 150cc Lightning Cup. So I was doing versus races while I was uploading it. So this time I'll use Inkling Girl. I like the green one. Also, I redid the Egg Cup and I got 3 stars. So yeah. So the Lightning Cup. This is one of my favorite tracks, Grumble Volcano. I like the lava tracks in Mario Kart games. I don't know why, I just do. Tick-tock clock. I'm in the business of misery. Is taken from the top. She's got a body like an hourglass. She's ticking like a clock. That's Misery Business by Paramore. They're an amazing band. Check them out. Crap, I didn't trick. I like playing as the Inklings from Splatoon. And I like using them in the bitty buggy. But again, I like using a lot of characters with the bitty buggy. And the Koopa Clown, although there's only one color for the Koopa Clown. I think the bitty buggy might be my new favorite vehicle again. Because it was in the original Mario Kart 8. Sorry about that, guys. Trying to get it in at least somewhat good quality. I'm saving this mushroom for a blue shell. And yes, you can use a mushroom to avoid a blue shell. And you're like, what? Alright, wait for it. Y'all see that? Amazing, huh? Crap. And then I got hit by a red shell. Oh wow, at least I avoided the blue shell. Dab. Now we did the egg cup with purple Inkling boy again. Crap! Okay, come on. Come on. Horn! Are you kidding me? Go, go, go! I got this, I got this, I got this, I got this. Go! I won. I never actually played Splatoon though, but I do like the Inklings. They're pretty cool. I never did get the variants of the Splatoon 3-pack. That's alright. I like those ones better actually. I like playing as those ones more in Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. George Bowser has a banana shield. Ooh, that was close. Crap. Toadette. Hey, is that Pink or Peach? Ah! Red shell. Gotcha, Roy. The Tooth Fairy. Get the reference from the Santa Claus. The Tooth Fairy wanted to change his name to Roy. Wheel. I like using Roy too. Ah! Oh, I thought I used 2 mushrooms. Woo! Should've said that for a blue ship, but it's alright. Oh! I thought George Bowser was trying to hit me with his banana. Ooh! That was close. Prompt almost bit me. Ah! Drop it! So I can hit him. Crap. What is going on? There. Woo. Okay. Oh, there were mushrooms right there. Oh well. Ah, Donkey Kong's in last. Well, at least he's not in first. I am. Dab, 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 dab. Please no one throw a bullshit at me. I'm gonna be really pissed. Yes! First place again. Next I'm on Goma Volcano. I love playing on this in Mario Kart Wii. Along with Bowser's Castle. Try Bowser. Don't drop that banana on me. Turd. I have a friend named Alfred. His nickname is Al Turd. He came up with it though. So yeah, don't get mad at me. So yeah. Damn. Cause I'm bored. Sorry about the quality, guys. I'm just moving the switch around. Sorry. Oh, I'll be sorry for now that I could be around. There will be a day that you will understand. You will understand. Sorry for now by Linkin Park. I think you guys can see my reflection. I don't know. Oh, yep. Ah! This is a dark track. Crap. You're not gonna screw me up. Oh, okay, so you just give me banana in third? Really? What's wrong with you? Go. Just freaking go. Yeah, you can see my reflection. I should have done this in the dark, dark. Let's light him up by Fall Out Boy. Oh crap. Go! Yes! Okay, can you guys see me dab? Can you? Can you see me dab? Oh well, I'll just keep going. I'll just keep playing. Anyway, I got first again. Next track is Rainbow Road N64. Yeah, you guys can see my reflection. This is a short track, so I gotta hurry up. Oh crap! Turd. Horn. Ah! Oh crap! Fine, just use it. Go! I need a good item. I need a horn in case the blue show comes and screws me up. But it better not come, because I'm gonna be really pissed. Alright, come on, come on. Please don't screw this up. Okay. I won. Yes! Hey, you guys can see my reflection. Through my phone or the Switch, or I don't know. Through the Switch, because I probably got 3 stars. Stars by Skillet. I still think that song's a filthy lie. Yes, 3 stars. Okay, nobody cares about the stupid freaking end credits. Okay, skip. Hurry up! Plus. Okay, finally, let me skip it. Okay, so I'm gonna get this uploaded, and next will be the Triforce Cup, so goodbye.